Hello, car enthusiasts! If you're as excited about new car models and off-road adventures as we are, then you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to always be up to date with the hottest news. The Tesla Cybertruck is set to receive some long-awaited updates that will make it more suited for off-road adventures. Unlike the Rivian R1T, the Cybertruck is not yet available with optional underbody protection to preserve the battery pack even when hitting rocks in challenging off-road conditions. That's about to change, as Cybertruck lead engineer Wes Merrill revealed on X that the EV will soon receive new armor for the battery pack and will be offered with rock guards. Pickup truck owners love accessories for their vehicles, especially if they plan to go off-road. Many automakers are making the most of this by offering extensive catalogs of aftermarket parts that they encourage buyers to shell out for. Tesla has done the same with the Cybertruck, and it offers a lot of parts, including a truck-mounted tent, a tailgate ramp, crossbars, and a pair of extra seats that mount to the hatch lid. Merrill didn't say what material the battery armor and rocker panels will be made of, but whatever it is, the accessories are sure to be expensive. Rivian's off-road package for the R1T costs $3,950, but in addition to the heavy-duty underbody protection, it includes 20-inch all-terrain wheels, a full-size spare tire, and an onboard compressor. Perhaps the most important extra feature of the Cybertruck will be the long-promised extra battery. It takes up about a third of the car's body and is said to increase the standard dual-motor model's range from 312 miles to 456 miles, while the Cyber Beast's range could increase from 300 miles to 438 miles. Specifications for the additional battery are not available, but it could have around 47 kilowatt-hours of usable energy and will cost buyers around $16,000.